any kitchen is the refrigerator. An LG signature iconic refrigerator is definitely a showpiece. Beautiful premium handles, our signature badging, that 6.8-inch touchscreen display you find across that entire iconic lineup, but inside is gorgeous. Beautiful LED backlighting, adjustable through ThinQ. We also feature our precision chill drawer. We all like to get a little bit fancy when it comes to our beverages, so the door offers our 1-inch mini craft ice, and the freezer features a signature exclusive of our bigger large craft ice.